And just like that, we are on record. This home is located in Oxford, Massachusetts. The seller was able to purchase this home off market and completely renovate the home. As you can see, they did a fantastic job with the rehab. Came out amazing. Sometimes in these transactions, a perfect storm happens. The particular buyer of this home was actually selling their home and was able to come to the table with a cash offer. All in all, this was a very smooth transaction. It closed in just over 30 days from start to finish. The particular buyer loved the area, they wanted to be in this area, so it only made sense. Looking forward to doing another transaction with this particular seller, and just like that, we are now on record.